Hi folks, today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Flipgrid, a video blogging service that we're going to use from time to time in the class. And so just as a side note, you are looking at my Google Classroom, but it's a test class and I'm logged in as a teacher. It might look a little bit different than what you normally see. Don't worry about it. When we get to Flipgrid, it'll look the same. So here is my Google Classroom assignment, demonstrate the Flipgrid process. Click the link below and record a Flipgrid response, walking the students through how Flipgrid is used. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Here's the link. And the link is specific. So you'll notice that this login screen pops up and it says how to make a Flipgrid. That is your specific assignment. So when I make an assignment for you, it'll have a different title here. It says join with Google. We are logged into Google Classroom, so you should see your Google account pop up. Just choose that account and it should walk you through and you should be logged in. So how to make a Flipgrid, it says. This is the space where Mr. Martin will demonstrate how to make a Flipgrid response. And so what you would see normally, this would be the title of your assignment, and this would be a little explanation and some instructions for what you're supposed to do. And so now I'm going to record a response. So I click this button, and when I do, up pops this screen. So this is a 4-step process, and I'm going to go ahead and frame that. Do you see that light behind me on the left side? I'm going to try to get that out because it just makes for not such a great picture. And, a face like this, you want to be able to see. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the record button at the bottom. 3, 2, 1, and it walks me in. And I'm starting my recording now. This is a 30-second recording, but I can set that time to be up to 10 minutes and depends on what you're doing as to how long you'll have. You can see the progress bar up here is green and it's counting down 18, 17. When it gets to 10, that progress bar is going to go red so that I know that I only have 10 seconds. I better wrap it up. And you can see it just did that. So now I'm going to hit pause. That would be the end of my video. And you can see here that there are effects, stickers, other options. I just want to let you know that if you're recording a Flipgrid response for me, and other teachers might feel differently about this, I want to see your face because I need to know who I'm grading. So if you want to use stickers and effects and things like that, that's fine, but just make sure it's not covering your face because I need to see who you are. And then, and please don't do this stuff too, like you're showing the ceiling. Okay, frame yourself up nicely. Try to pick an area where there's not much going on behind you. I know mine's a little busy back there, but so anyway, I'm going to click next and it's going to give me the opportunity now to review my video. Now, what you can't hear, and I'm going to go ahead and just click next. What you couldn't hear there was that my audio sounded great, but it was coming through my headphones, so you couldn't hear it, but it was driving me crazy. It makes it impossible for me to concentrate on you. So I just skipped through that. You should really watch the whole thing and make sure it says what you need, because if it doesn't, you have the option there to re-record your video. So I'm finished with my video. My video was appropriate. So now this little section is for a selfie. And so what does that mean? Well, there'll be a little icon of you when when I go in to look at your video. And so now I'm going to make a selfie. So, and there it is. Wow. So I just click next and it's going to be uploading my video now. Might take a second. There we go. So it's uploaded my video. Wow, what a great picture. So up here it says submit your video. This is step 4 of 4, so we're going to be finished after this. So display name. This is important that it be your actual name and your last initial. Now, if your name is Emily and there are 6 Emilys in your class and 2 of them are Emily M, you might need to give me a little more information than that here. As to what link is, we're not going to use this space. And then down here at the title, this title should be appropriate to what it is that you recorded. So what you might type something like, this is my how to use Flipgrid. Although in this particular case, I'm going to just put on here, wow, look at the head on that. And submit. And look, it's telling me that I'm all finished. And that's it. That's how you use Flipgrid. So you just click complete and you're finished. So thanks very much, folks. Hope you have fun using Flipgrid.